Check out this Ram 2020 3500 Chassis Cab Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include ADD 4.10 axle ratio, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, 4.10 axle ratio, STD, electric shift on the flight transfer case included, center stack storage drawer, engine block heater, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, selective catalytic reduction, urea, dual 730 amp maintenance-free batteries Cummins turbo diesel badge current generation engine controller smart diesel exhaust brake supplemental heater gross vehicle weight, 12,000 lbs V20 biodiesel capability, cold weather group included, engine block heater winter front grille cover, quick order package to your tradesman included, engine 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel transmission, 6-speed auto eyes and AM.